What is going on, y'all? This is Powerfully Paige, a channel dedicated to teaching you how to look good, eat good, and live good. And I know today's video looks a little different, but don't worry, this is a recipe you're not going to want to miss. Sac passe, my brothers and sisters. This is a Haitian honey remedy. This is good for strengthening your immune system, providing an anti-inflammatory, antifungal, antiviral honey that is not only going to clear up your airways and your passageways, but it's also going to help your immune system block off the cold, flu, and other viruses. And a pro tip, try not to get a lot of the lime pulp on the rind because you don't want your honey to start getting juicy and loose. And if you can, use fresh turmeric over regular powdered turmeric because it does make a difference. But if you don't have it or you can't find it, do what you got to do, okay? Fresh ginger and garlic as well. And make sure you're using organic honey because it does end up making a difference. Trust me when I say this is not something you want to skimp on. This is honey that's going to help protect your life, okay? Get into it. And you're noticing the bubbles, don't worry about that because you're just going to end up shaking it down or using a skewer to press it down, which is going to help release the air bubbles and even everything out. And after that, you're pretty much done. You have to make sure you are sweating your ingredients. So you are going to get your containers, make sure you seal it tightly and put it in a cool, dry place, preferably like your pantry or something, and make sure it sweats for at least 12 hours. And then after that, you're going to transfer it to a fridge and make sure it combines and cools for at least 12 hours. And after that, it is good to go. You are supposed to have this on an empty stomach. So like I like to do is have it right before work. As you can see, have just about a tablespoon. Make sure you're shaking it up. And honestly, this is not a honey you're going to want to mix with your tea. Because you'll be mad because it tastes like Thanksgiving dinner is blended up and then mixed with honey. Trust me, I mean, it's helping my immune system, but I would not mix it with anything else because it will ruin your morning, okay? But enjoy this recipe. Make sure you like, subscribe, and stay tuned because we have new videos dropping every week.